Alright, Twin Throttle Travels, headed to Deals Gap. Had Darryl with me. Ready to rock and roll? Woo-ha! See you guys when we get there. So we're roughly about 4 miles. So we're roughly about 4 hours or so from my house. Maybe, well, I guess closer to 5 hours from my house to Deals Gap, and got a couple of Indians on the ride today. My brother OBD is headed there with me for a good long day's ride. Hopefully it will be a great, enjoyable ride, and the weather's looking good so far. And I'm going to stop in Wilkesboro area for a little breakfast and enjoy this beautiful sunrise this morning with me. And again, just thank God every day we get to do what we do in this beautiful country. And hope you guys are enjoying this as much as we are. Many times as I've crested this hill and come up this way, I absolutely love seeing those hills going into the North Wilkesboro area. Elkin, outside of that, right off 77, kind of come down from Charlotte or come up. But I just love peeking in. You'll see something happen like that again here when we're heading right into Tennessee. But I don't know, something about that, seeing it just makes me think home. Like, that's home. So, God's country. Thank you, Lord. See you guys when we get there. North Wilkesboro, Statesville exit. But anyway, North Wilkesboro, Wilkesboro Raceway, you'll see coming up here on the right. And it's pretty cool. It's definitely one of those really awesome things. I was blessed enough to be able to see this with the groundskeeper a bunch of years ago, before they spent millions of dollars restoring it and getting it back up. Me and a good friend of mine, Tommy Harmon, were able to, we rode over there one day and just wanted to kind of see. Dale Earnhardt Jr. did a little series on TV talking about all the old raceways that are no longer around or whatever. I think this one came up on it at the time. And then NASCAR kind of threw money and everything back in it to kind of restore it and bring it back to life. This has been a very known raceway, especially for North Carolina. Beautiful afternoon, beautiful morning. Still between 68, 70 degrees. The temperature actually dropped a couple of degrees heading towards the mountains. And it's an absolutely beautiful day. We're on Route 18 headed towards 64 West. Glad I had this helmet on, bug nailed me right in the head. It looks like we're right outside of Morgantown, and again, it's been heated on back up to about 72 degrees, and it's a little warmer, but humidity is about the same. You see a little overcast ahead. Bojangles right up here on the right. But yeah, I'm not trying to starve us. I don't think me and Dara either want to hurt for food, but we're gonna get some Bojangles. Twin Throttle Travels, baby. Headed to Deals Gap. Did a little ride around, didn't necessarily hit the straight and away, but man, kind of like coming through here, seeing some of the industrial park, industrial area. Absolutely gorgeous day. So, just a few stats on the day so far. Been on the road about 2 hours, been 116 miles. Moving time's about 1 hour and 54 minutes. 6-minute stop, and elevation change has been about 900 feet. That being said, it is still 79 degrees, and we are headed to Deals Gap. So we're heading up what is known as Black Mountain. And the best thing you can do is the middle lane or left lane. You can see around, I don't know how well the camera does it justice, but this is why they call it the Smoky Mountains, baby. Alright, so we're right outside of Asheville, North Carolina, and if you've never been down here or around this way, this is the Biltmore Forest is where we're at right now. I can wake up to that and a cup of coffee every day. I sure could. Beautiful through here. Fall, it's even prettier. All the leaves have changed or are changing too, but seeing all this green just makes it just more and more beautiful. ride at your own pace. You've got somebody that's slower and takes a whole lot of time, you want them at the back of your pack. And if you set somebody that wants to kind of rip on around and whip through, you want them at the front of your pack. And tell everybody, ride at your pace. Don't try to keep up, and don't try to run somebody over if they're running slower than you. Give them some space. They're riding slower than you because they're not at that skill set that they feel comfortable riding faster. So you enjoy your ride, let them enjoy theirs. So this is a cool spot I pulled off on a couple times. Thought it might make a cool picture. And this is the money shot right here. Day, beautiful ride, and we made it. Welcome to Deals Gap Motorcycle Resort.